How to fix please unblock challenges cloudflare.com to proceed error on ChatGPT. So if you want to fix please unblock challenges cloudflare.com to proceed error on your ChatGPT, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your ChatGPT. And if you're getting this error, or if you want to know why does this happen, then it's because ChatGPT server is down. It will automatically be fixed within few minutes or hours, or you can clear cache of your browser and then try again. To do that, you need to open up a new tab and go with the three dots, which is on top right. Go with settings, and under settings, you need to go with privacy and security. Go with delete browsing data and then delete the browsing data. Once you've deleted your data, you can go back and just remove the ChatGPT from your browser. Go with a new tab and then again search for ChatGPT. Go with the official website, and now it might fix your problem. Usually server gets down, not for longer. It's because many people trying to access it at the time you're trying. So have patience and wait for a few hours or minutes. It will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.